Hello everyone, I am Sai Pavan. In this video, I am going to tell you about types of numbers and give you an introduction on complex numbers. Let's start the video. Numbers are classified into different types based on their properties. We have natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, real numbers, and imaginary numbers, and then complex numbers. All these numbers are denoted with some letters to identify them quickly. Let me quickly explain these all types. Firstly, we have natural numbers. The natural numbers are used in counting or ordering. We use them in daily life. They are denoted with capital letter N. And then we have whole numbers. All the natural numbers including 0 are known as whole numbers. We use them in measuring. Whole numbers are denoted with the capital letter W. And then we have integers. All the positive numbers, 0, and the negative numbers are called as integers. They are represented with the capital Z. Now let's talk about rational numbers. We denote the rational numbers with the capital Q. All the numbers which are in the fractional form are known as rational numbers. They are generally in the p by q form where q is not equal to 0. Now let's talk about real numbers. It is like universe. It is denoted with capital R. It has rational numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. And in addition to that, we have irrational numbers. Let's see what are irrational numbers. All the numbers which are not the rational numbers are known as irrational numbers. That means all the numbers which are not in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, are known as irrational numbers. In easy way, we can say that the terminating decimal numbers are known as irrational numbers. I hope you all got the clarity on real numbers. To remember them quickly, we have natural numbers 1, 2, 3. When we add 0, they are named as whole numbers, and we add negative numbers and named as integers. And then we added fractional numbers to these integers and named as rational numbers. All these belongs to this universe named real numbers. The real numbers contains a strange planet which contains irrational numbers. So I think this is the easiest way to remember the real numbers. Now let's talk about the imaginary numbers. As the name suggests that they are imaginary, they are not belongs to this real numbers universe. They are just imaginary. These are denoted with small I or small j. To understand the imaginary numbers, take a look at this problem. X square plus 1 is equals to 0, which implies x square is equal to minus 1. Let us consider x is a positive number. If we square a positive number, the result will be a positive number. So x does not equals to a positive number. Let's put x as a negative number. The square of a negative number is also a positive number. Let's put 0 in the place of x, and 0 square is equal to 0. So there is no such case in real numbers where a square of a number is a negative number. So now imagine a number which gives a negative number when it is squared. You can't find any such number in real numbers, but just imagine the number. Now we have a strange number which we called as I, which gives a negative number when it is squared. This I, which is equals to the root of minus 1, is a strange number which we can't find in our real number set. And this is how the concept of imaginary numbers is born. The imaginary numbers contains the numbers which gives the negative numbers when they are squared. Let's consider I is an imaginary number. I square is equals to minus 1, where 2I square is equal to minus 2, where 3I square is equal to minus 3, and so on. Now let's discuss about the complex numbers. The complex numbers are born from the imaginary numbers. These are denoted with the capital letter C. The combination of both real numbers and the imaginary numbers are known as complex numbers. Complex numbers are in the form of a plus ib, where a is known as real part and ib is known as imaginary part. The number 4 plus 3i is a complex number, where 4 is a real number and 3i is an imaginary number. According to my understanding, we have three types of numbers: the real numbers, the imaginary numbers, and the complex numbers. The real numbers are again classified to natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. The imaginary numbers are of course imaginary, and complex numbers are combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers. I hope you all understand my explanation. Thank you for watching.